have fire glaives yet. I think.
Saru.
Not yet. Soon.
How much devotion do I need to get to that? 20? 30? Well, that's gonna give me 40, and I'm at 26. I'll be at like 50 if I blow this up right now, I think.
Alright, more shotgunners then.
I believe if I blow up this army, I should get some more. Oh, 28.
Yeah.
I could start getting Minotaurs.
If you can, that's going to start breaking everything.
I just hope Malagor can live until next turn, so I can get him out of wherever the fuck he's at.
Have faith.
Well, I have faith. I know he's chinchillin right now, but I just hope I don't accidentally ambush somebody while trying to sit here and recruit and replenish.
Corn started get a little bit more active. Alright, we're gonna replenish the troops. Or the hobgoblins. We're gonna get that.
Rarjar. Dromadrazul.
Yeah, I'm gonna get good with Kolek for a bit, so that way I can,
Buddy up to him.
yeah.
Doomleth.
Since he's another warrior of chaos.
I need to take this, and then I can blow up.
I mean, I could
that's
totally
actually-
push his capital if I wanted, huh?
Okay, this would be a really good thing to go get. I might go rush over to this if I can. 6, 8. Yeah, I'll take this, because this gives me a lot more to blow up. Ryan's alive again.
They shall
Bellago's in his
fall.
capital.
Excellent. Fahasut.
Is that Beastman over there still alive?
He might be.
Can't see him.
I gotta see. Hold on. I don't see him.
I mean, you don't usually see Beastmen. They kind of just hide. A lot.
be blood. Dum Thaumansi. Gumleth. Wa utial avdarnu arduga. Making victims.
What do you want? Oh my god, my fucking lord said, "What you want?" As I said, "What do you want?" I love this game. Oh. Little stunty coming into my territory? Oh.
There's the tree guy.
Not anymore. He's dead again. Oh, Melegar's coming down. That's kind of scary. I need to see if I can bait him into this region. Oh wait, that beastman over there is still alive. He's gaming for real.
Maori Tatagio. Banstrol.
Okay, I need to see if I get an ambush on this guy.
Safareyu Anuhal.
I do.
Ungijar una erpetu.
I want to upgrade that.
Tuzi, Dak, Saru, Ankur.
1,000. Okay, I'll have enough next time to confederate the boy that I want to confederate. Let's see if Melegar will decide to work himself into my 3 ambushing armies waiting for him.
Hawird Anja.
Yeah, I guess I can't confederate.
So,
that faction over there.
Rage, I can build outposts on your base over here at Blizzard Peak.
Don't do that. None of them are
Yeah,
dark
that's-
fortresses, you won't get any good units out of it.